Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before entering into the video, we request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also, if possible, comment in the comment section. Today our point of inquiry is about selfishness. How we can be free from self-centered activity. Is it possible to be free from self-centered activity? Now, what is the self? I am conscious to be a self who is different from others. The self means the memories, the job, the place. I belong to this, I belong to that, I belong to this country, I belong to that country. All these together are consisting in oneself. I am conscious to be a self who is different from others. That means self is all important. Hence, selfishness is born. Selfishness is spiritual ignorance. Why do we do like this? The self is the most important aspect of our life. We can go anywhere, but we cannot escape from ourselves. That's why we feel that self is the most important aspect of life. Existence for us means self. Whatever we do from the center only. Now, is it possible to be free from such a kind of self? In one sense, it is very simple. We are as others are. We are existing here. The whole existence is same for everybody. But we don't realize this simple fact. We think that we are the center of the whole existence. We are to do everything for us. Then only we will be happy. But the reality is same for everybody. Whatever we do for our own self, it creates conflict. Because I want this, I want to achieve that. And similarly, the other person also thinks that I want to do this, I want to do that. And both of them think that they are different. They are different entities. Hence, conflicts are created. Ultimately, these kind of conflicts will lead to war. Whatever problems we are facing in our day-to-day life, self is the problem. If selfishness is not there, we would have created a better world. But our daily existence has number of problems. Now, how to be free from that problems? For that, we are to think that we are part and parcel of this same existence. We belong to the same reality. We cannot be identified with this and that. I identify with this country and some other X identifies himself or herself with that country. Hence, countries are divisions. Mind makes numerous divisions. Divisions means conflict. So, to go beyond divisions, we must be aware that we belong to the same reality. When we are conscious that we belong to the same reality, we will be free from selfishness. It is very clear that if you do for everything for us, certainly it creates conflict. When we think that whatever we do for the whole existence. If you do everything consciously, that must be the right action. But if you are unconscious, it leads to selfishness. Selfishness always creates conflicts. To go beyond selfishness, we have to be aware that we are as the others are. We are having problems and the others are also having problems. So, the aspirations of the whole humanity is one. I am as the others are. I am not different from others. The problem is one and the same. So, to realize this, we don't need any time. It is instant. Immediately we can realize this fact. So we have to see the fact and observe. If we observe, the truth is here. The truth frees. The truth is common to each and everybody. Truth is the essence of existence. When we realize this, immediately we will be free from self-centered activities or selfishness. Hence, whatever we do consciously. Those actions do not separate us from the whole. Hence, we will be a free person. The free person is a spiritual person. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing another one aspect of spiritual reality.